On the final day of its term, the Supreme Court handed down a blockbuster ruling affecting not only Donald Trump, but possibly all former and future presidents. Fox 11's Marla Tea is here with the ruling on presidential immunity.
Christine, this decision came down along ideological lines, and for now, former President Trump's election interference case remains on hold. In one of the biggest cases of the year over presidential immunity, the Supreme Court ruled 6-3 that former presidents are granted broad protections for official acts taken while in office, but do not have immunity for unofficial acts. Trump celebrated this decision on Truth Social as, quote, a big win for our Constitution and for democracy.
And it's a dangerous precedent.
President Biden, addressing the nation Monday night, slammed the ruling.
Today's decision almost certainly means that there are virtually no limits on what a president can do.
Chief Justice John Roberts, writing for the majority, saying the president is not above the law, but, quote, may not be prosecuted for exercising his core constitutional powers. In the dissent, Justice Sonia Sotomayor argued the decision, quote, makes a mockery of the principle foundational to our Constitution and system of government that no man is above the law. Many Democrats also blasting the ruling. Senator Richard Blumenthal calls the court out of control, saying it makes his stomach turn.
The Supreme Court said, I'm giving you a test to apply.
Legal analyst Lou Shapiro, with us at 6 o'clock, says the ruling makes it almost impossible for special counsel Jack Smith's election interference case against former President Trump to go to trial before the November election. That case now heads back to the lower court to decide what actions in Smith's indictment can be classified as official duties.
You as a trial judges apply the test that we're given this. We'll call it the core constitutional test. And you apply it. And based on the application of that test, you can decide which charges, if any, can apply in a criminal case against a former president.
So right after today's ruling, Trump's team requested a delay for his sentencing date in his hush money trial. That is scheduled for next week, but his lawyers argue some evidence, including Trump's social media posts posted during his time as president, should have been excluded from the trial because of immunity protection. So far, no statement, no reaction from the Manhattan District Attorney tonight as far as that request goes.